考放榜，而家剩翻唔夠5000個官立同津貼嘅中六學額。
港股升接近300點，創近6年嘅高位。
熱帶風暴逼近本港，聽日可能要改發3號強風信號。歡迎收睇6點鐘新聞，詳盡嘅新聞內容。中學會考放榜，合資格升讀預科嘅考生大部分已經獲得學校取錄。全港而家只係剩低唔夠5000個官立同埋津貼中學嘅中六學額可以申請。
今屆有25個十優狀元係歷嚟最多，除咗一啲傳統名校之外，屯門同元朗區嘅中學亦都有學生考獲十優。而家先由蔡玉蓮講下放榜嘅情況。
十優狀元唔係傳統名校嘅專利，沙田官中嘅陳婷婷係其中之一。
好意外啦，因為實在冇諗過10A呢個狀元位自己可以坐到，同埋一直以嚟都覺得男仔讀理科係叻啲咯，但係我今次可以同大家講，女仔都可以讀得好叻好叻好叻咯。
唔少同學亦都考到優異嘅成績，互相恭賀一番。成績未如理想嘅同學就擔心升唔到中六。
It was an emotional day for tens of thousands of Form 5 students today, harrowing for some and joyful for others, as they found out how they had done in their public exams. Education Secretary Arthur Lee said he was pleased with the results and the record number of straight A's. ATV's Nancy Ju reports.
It was time to release pent-up feelings this morning. There were moments of sheer joy and utter devastation as students underwent a roller coaster ride of emotions when their results were announced. On the whole, they did better than last year at the Hong Kong Certificate of Education examination. 64% were able to meet the Form 6 admission requirement, a rise of 1.2%.